Kawadhi nyime en Sirkand kaonti ma Homa Bay ochako ayanga gedo mar log tich manyien mar kaontino. Geno ma bende time yor hola gi duol ma ong'ere ni County Pension Funds gi dwaro mar medo bero tije ne jopiny e kaontino. Log tich mar kaontino idhi gere gweng' ma Ohongo e Kanyabala location oko mar boma ma Homa Bay kama ne gavana machon ma Homa Bay Cyprian Awiti ochako gedo mar kambi rego chiemb jamni mong'ere ni Arujo Animal Feeds mane muonyo milion 500. Gedo ma kamano biro tieki thuolo mar dweche 6 mabiro kendo igeno ni biro yawe ayanga dwe mar 12 higa ni mondo chak tich ayanga.
The Investment Authority seen that in some of them there even bulk is the World Bank approved mark.
There has been comprehensive public participation on this matter. We have met with the communities, we have spoken about it, there is nowhere where we haven't gone in terms of discussing with the public where we want to go as far as the county headquarters is concerned. In December, we are going to be back here, and this time it is not going to be this way. It is going to be different. We are going to be back in a different place when we come to do the official opening of our new county headquarters.
This partnership is aimed at fostering sustainable development and improving the lives of the residents of this county, as well as improving service delivery to the people of this great county.
Our people need to understand that no law says the headquarter for the executive or the headquarter of the county must be in Homa Bay town. You could have taken it to Rangwe, you could have taken it to Ndewa. I made a deliberate decision to join you, Your Excellency, because you chose that it would be in Homa Bay town constituency.